back. As you know, they thought they could do without me, but they actually couldn't, so I'm back. Today we're going to be looking at the 32 KBS made by Whitehawk. So we're going to climb in and see what's going on. First thing you see when you walk in is a pantry. You can put food in there, probably. Also, notice this large adjustable faucet that does come out and go back in. And you can change the type of stream that comes out. Also, notice the fridge here and the freezer on top. Most Jayco models have this. This one has some cabinets down here. Oh, and also this table here that does fold up. And it will lock in place, probably. Over here, this is a couch that can probably be turned into a bed. I'm sure you could put another cushion there. Over here you have these chairs here, and they have massage, heating feature, and lights, which I think is pretty cool. And you just pull a handle, and it reclines. It also has one of these electric fireplaces. This is what Jayco seems to be leaning towards in terms of heating from one source. Also, this does come with a TV. We took it out because people steal things. So, also notice these cabinets here. So, this sliding door reveals a bathroom. In the bathroom, you also have a sink here and a cabinet underneath that opens. And there's also a cabinet up here with a mirror on it, which you could store things like toothpaste and stuff. And a coat hanger. This is the shower. It rolls out like that. Pretty decently sized. And it has a handle here. Notice the toilet here and the storage up here. This has a walk-in closet, which I've never actually seen, if you want to go and check it out. There's a lot of shelving in there, and cabinets, and a mirror. That'd be a great place to put all of your clothes. One other thing, which I think would probably be the selling point of this trailer, is these double barn doors reveal a very, very well-lit master bedroom with a queen-size bed. Storage up there as well. There is 3 different windows in here. This is a pretty large window too, and they all open. Pretty cool. Also notice that there is a couch here. So, also some cabinetry, which I think is an important selling point in any trailer, because as you know, when you go camping, you have a lot of stuff that you have to store. That'll do it for this trailer. I think it's pretty unique just because of that master bedroom. That's a selling point. If you want to come out and see us, we're on East Spalding Avenue in Pueblo West. Zabukovic RV/Zabukovic Motors, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Come out and see us and come check this one out as well. It's pretty unique. I think you'll like it. Thanks.